T-Series, which started out as a small production company, has grown to be one of the biggest music and entertainment businesses in the world, with an astounding estimated net value of over $500 million. Let's look at T-Series' journey and see how they rose to the top of the Indian music industry and the most subscribed channel on YouTube. Gulshan Kumar, an Indian businessman who began his career by selling stolen Bollywood tunes on the streets of Delhi, launched the company in 1983. He began making devotional music videos after quickly realizing the potential of the music business, and they soon became popular among Indian audiences. The popularity of these videos led Gulshan Kumar to diversify the company's offerings to include Bollywood music, and this series quickly established itself as the go-to source for all the newest Bollywood songs. The business started its digital adventure when it created its website in 1997. This series began uploading its music videos on YouTube when it realized that there was a chance to reach a larger audience thanks to the development of the internet. The business attracted a sizable fan base very fast, and by 2010, this series was the most subscribed music channel in India on YouTube. However, it wasn't until the rise of the social media that this series really started to explode in popularity. The business was one of the first to recognize the potential of websites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and started using them to interact with fans and develop its brand. As a result, this series' fan base quickly expanded. By 2015, it had amassed over 100 million YouTube followers. The key to this series' success has been its ability to consistently produce high-quality content that appeals to a wide audience. Whether it's devotional music, Bollywood songs, or movie trailers, this series always ensures that its content is of the highest quality. The company has also been able to diversify its portfolio and expand into new areas, such as regional music, web series, and short films. Another important factor in this series' success has been its aggressive marketing strategy. The company has been known to use every available channel to promote its content, from billboards and TV commercials to online advertisements and influencer marketing. This has helped this series reach a massive audience and establish itself as a household name in India. In conclusion, this series' journey from a small production house to one of the largest music and entertainment companies in the world is a testament of the power of hard work, determination, and a willingness to embrace change. With a network of over $2 billion and a massive following on social media, this series is a true success story and an inspiration for amazing entrepreneurs everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below who's your favorite YouTuber and why.